Madeline Lauren Humphreys, born May 20, 1988, known professionally as Madeline Humphreys and formerly as Carla Humphreys, is a Filipino actress. Humphreys is best known for her roles as Rita Argalas in the television drama Bituing Walang Ningning 2006, and as Brenda Smith in the youth-oriented program About Her Love 2006. She also appeared on the January 2011 cover of FHM Philippines magazine. Humphreys was a member of Star Magic, ABS-CBN circle of homegrown talents from 2003 to early 2009. In March 2010, she joined TV5's lineup of talents. In 2013, she starred in the action film 10,000 Hours alongside Robin Padilla, where she was nominated for Best Supporting Actress.
If I wasn't so smart, I think
she's exag. Pray, this is Ashley.
kasi ganito yun. At gutom talaga ako, ha?
Hey, that's perfect! Go, go, go!
Burrito daw po kasi ng bata, sabi ni Sir.
Sige. Manang? Sino kausap ng anak? Wala kang anak. Bakla ka, hindi ba? Kaya wala kang karapatang magkaroon ng anak.
Maging nanay ho ni Noel.
Amalia, hindi tayo pwede maghimasok ng buhay sa itaas.
Bakit?
Wala na sila. What? Oo, ka naman. Inubos mo yung paninda nila. Tsaka yung pabunga na yan. Sinusubukan ko lang.
Sabi ng demonyo. Magpapay, hindi pa pa.
At ang pamilya ko naman, hindi kami kilala ni Crystal ang pamilya. Ano raw yung palayaw?
Joke lang.
Oo. Help ka ba? I guess, mauna na kami. Ingat na lang kayo.
Kay sarap ng may minamahal. Ang daigdig ay may kulay at buhay. At kahit na may pagkukulang ka, isang halik mo lang, limot ko na. Kay sarap ng may minamahal, asahan mo pag-ibig ko'y tunay. Ang nais ko'y laging kapiling ka. Alam mo bang tanging ligaya ka? Sa tuwing ay naalala ka, sa pangarap laging kasama ka. Ikaw ang alaala sa aking pag-iisa. Wala nang iibigin pang iba. sarap ng may minamahal. Asahan mong pag-ibig ko'y tunay.